Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can basically ask a sim to move in with you. So you're just going to talk with the sims a lot until you guys are like super close and super friends. Super close and super friends. Because the like action isn't there yet, so you're just going to keep adding it, maybe some like affections to it as well. More small talk first, obviously. Just a lot of conversations and whatnot. And then when you're close or when you're like girlfriend, boyfriend, and stuff like that, you can ask the sim to move in with you. Again, you do need to talk a lot about some stuff first. About career, friendly, stories. Tell engaging stories, more choices. Relationship, maybe ask if single. Oh, here you can ask in relationship, ask to join household. And that's how you can get the sims to move in with you. Maybe if it's too early, they won't say yes. But I guess so. Press OK. And then here you can move the sims into your household like so. And that is it. Super simple. I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.